What's up, everybody? The word has got out that you have been having problems with your cell phone. Can't hear the other person, or the person can't hear you. Well, your phone might be on its way out. But don't get rid of that phone just yet. You've reset your phone, you've uninstalled apps, and you still have the exact same problem. Well, I don't recommend this for everybody. You have to take a chance if you don't want to buy a phone right away, and you can do this. Some 70% alcohol, some cotton pads, cotton swabs, at least 2 of them, and here goes your phone. Took the top off this alcohol, and right here, where you see the volume, be able to turn the volume up and down, take that alcohol and pour it right in there. Take your cotton swab, move it around like that, keep tapping the buttons. Tapping the buttons up and down. Something in there might be affecting the sensor. Doesn't mean that you spilled anything in there. Sometimes the sensors just get like that. You can also go right here where you see the microphone in the front, where you're able to hear at. You can pour a little bit right in there as well. And rub it around. Something might be there muffling it. Take your cotton swabs. Wipe your phone off. Side of it. Back. Where the battery goes at. Wouldn't hurt. Put your battery back in. Right? Turn your phone back on. Booting up now. Plug it in just in case if you need a little more power. It's booting up. Give the phone a chance to boot up. Put in your code to get your phone on. Coming on now. See the phone still works. Let's make a phone call. Let's see what happens. Let's see here. Who will I call? Okay, let's see. Let's make a phone call. Let's see if I hear anything on the speaker. Hello? Can you hear me now? I'm doing a test here.
Yes, I can hear you.
All right. Thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
There we go. Phone still works. Speaker still works. So one thing you might have to do, you might have to still put it on speaker in order to hear the person. But before that, they couldn't hear me at all. So before you get rid of that phone, a little fix that will help you hold out for a little while until you get a phone. And thank you very much. Please subscribe, click like, and the notification bell. Thank you.